Welcome to Vietnam. The air is pretty bad because scooters everywhere and there's cars everywhere as well, so it's really bad. It's like smoggy.
Biết chị này tôi nói là không có được. We're at and we're about to eat.
What is it?
It's like a crab-based noodle, but it also has like pork. I think it's like pork hocks. This is like the crabby stuff. There's tomato, meatball, and some green spread.
And like they use, just peeling up the mint. They use mint in everything actually. The pho and rolls or anything actually. They use this. It's a very crabby soup base, and I think what makes a good noodle is really the soup base. So that's why I always try the soup base before I really try the noodles or the beef or the pork or whatever. We sit so low, it's like you're squatting while you're eating. It's kind of like taking a shit while you're eating. Which is pretty funny. But the thing about street food is there's a lot of bugs flying around you. And that's really the only thing. But it tastes really good. So it's a must try. They're so good. So in Asia, there's usually gyms around the parks areas, right? For old people, for young people, any age of people. And right now we're doing the Tai Chi. That's why people are so good at Kung Fu. Look at that. The Tai Chi. The Tai Chi spinning. Wanna say hi? She's so focused.
Hi.
Ooh, look at that Tai Chi spinning. And then there's other things as well. There's like bicycles and everything. I'll show you.
I'm pro.
She's pro though, Tai Chi style. Ooh, look at that face. And that leg with it. Okay, let's watch someone else. So women really like to do the spinning thing. It's like you spin around and you work out your waist. And there's people doing the bikes. It's a really beautiful park here in Chi Minh City. Walk around, it's really peaceful, kind of away from all the traffic and all the scooters and everything as well. And these people are riding bikes. This kid is really cute. And you know, just people running and stuff like that. And I find it's really hard to be fat in these Asian places, right? That's why you rarely see them. And you see all those Americans, Canadians being fat and stuff. Which kid? But yeah, because you walk so much. We've been walking hours every single day, 1 to 2 hours a day, and just sweat dripping down your face. And I probably lost like 10 pounds, and I'll go back to Canada, maybe like under 60 pounds or something.
Woo! Weight loss.
Tai Chi master right there. Don't mess with her. She'll kick your ass. Look at that. Look at that. She laughs, but she's deadly. So watch out. But yeah.
I'm tired.
No, we have to cut that part out. We have to cut that part out. She's still doing it. Ah. Whew, it's been like
It's been 3 days.
It's been 3 days since.
You should cut the film and then film me doing it again in a different outfit. Oh wait, no, I have to wear the same.
Basically. So yeah, goodbye guys, and we're gonna try some new food. I can't wait for this new food. Oh, it's gonna be so good. So we're gonna try some banh mi. because banh mi is really famous here. It's like kind of bread and Vietnamese sandwich kind of thing. And we're also trying to try the pork and rice. Pork and rice is really famous as well.
Cam tan.
Cam tang is what it's called.
Ăn.
Gaman is how you say thank you. Gaman, gaman. And yeah.
45-degree angle.
My bad.
You look so much better.
Ooh, gotta do this from now on. But yeah, now we're going there to eat and we'll see you soon. Ooh. Free gym. Canada should learn. Time to cross a street.
Be careful.
I'll take you with us. Ooh, hello. So we've been eating noodles for the past few days and want to try rice. So we searched up a really famous place that she's covering my face with.
Tam Tam Cali.
Tam Tam Cali. It's a really famous place for pork and rice or chicken and rice or anything like that.
This is what it looks like. The picture, we'll see what it looks like when it comes.
What'd you get, baby?
Lemon hash chicken in clay pot.
What'd I get?
You got the combo, and it comes with pork, barbecue pork, which is like ribs, quail eggs, it's like dinner or fried eggs. That's the pork pie, I think they call it. This is like shredded pork with pork skin, and that is like pork and bean curds, like a fried tofu pork inside. And it comes with rice. This is the crispy rice version we added just to try it out. And yeah, should about it. Oh yeah, it comes with this thing that you pour over it. Should be good.
They put the fish soup. That word does not come to my head, but the fish soup into the rice. Oh, look at that. Yeah. And it's so good. It's kind of spicy though. I noticed that Viet people like to eat spicy and chilies and everything as well.
No, this isn't spicy.
The fish soup, yeah. But I added both, I guess.
It always comes with chili and stuff.
Really good. That's spicy, but really good. Cheers.